Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power. Turn off your HVAC at the breaker or from the Nest app to avoid calls for heat. Once done, press gently on the thermostat display and rotate or pull straight to unmount, depending on model. Make sure to support the base so wires stay secure. You're only removing the display. Keep a small flat tool and CR2032 battery ready. The how and why matter. Safe power off prevents shorts and preserves settings. Next, access the battery compartment by sliding the back cover or detaching the display fully. Carefully pop out the old CR2032 while observing polarity. The plus side typically faces up. Once you insert the new battery, press it into place so it sits flush and secure. Reattach the display to the base, aligning pins, and press until it clicks. This restores power and reconnects sensors. If your Nest has a rechargeable internal cell, follow specific model, prompts instead of CR2032. Finally, restore power at the breaker or via the app and wait through the Nest boot sequence. This can take a minute as settings load. Make sure the thermostat reconnects to Wi-Fi and that temperature control and schedules respond. If you see error codes or the unit doesn't power, turn off power again, reset the display, and double-check battery orientation and contacts. One key troubleshooting tip: try a second new battery. A dead replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.